Hi guys, in front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So at first open your phone dialer and let's enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here we've got both IMEI and serial numbers included. Tap on OK to exit. And if somehow this code is not working, you can also reach both numbers via settings. So at first open the settings, then find and select my phone, and here you will be able to find a serial number under model, and then if you wish to check IMEI number as well, you have to go to phone information, and here it is located. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.